Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So, after I start filming my first experimental horror film, including the others, even when I'm doing that, and when I finish my first one, what have I got to do? Well, it's actually selling them. If I make money off of these, it's great. It'll be a complete and great, wonderful pleasure for me to do so. However, as we all know, in the experimental film genre, it can be trying actually to make a profit off of your experimental work. Even so, I'll do what I can through my own distribution to get that going and make what I can. I'm sure my films are no better than anyone else just starting out and stuff like that, so only time will tell. If they become successful, then great. Wonderful. And I thank the man upstairs for that. And if people do enjoy it to a certain point, that's great too. But if it doesn't work out financially, well, no big loss. It just means I've been having a really great time doing actually what I really want to do. And that's a good part of it for me as well. Alright, so beginner filmmakers in experimental film genre, do keep this in mind. For experimental films, it can be a little difficult at times making a profit off of it. Alright, so thanks for viewing. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join the Morbid Team Entertainment Barter Buy and Sell group, put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page, and do join Avant Garde Films Philippines. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.